Hello. Have you been hearing about Zoom lately? Maybe you've heard about meeting with people or seeing programs on Zoom and thought, too much technology, I don't know. My name is Martina Matizan. I'm an educational entertainer. I work with libraries all over the country, and I'm here to show you that getting on Zoom is really easy, and you can do it. There are wonderful library programs just waiting for you. Your librarians are working hard to find events and programs that are interesting, fun, and free. It's actually very simple to participate, and I'm going to show you how in this step-by-step tutorial. First of all, very quickly, what is Zoom? Well, not that long ago, it seemed like just the Jetsons would be able to talk on the phone and see each other at the same time. But now we can too. Zoom is just a way to do that, one-on-one or with lots of people and a presenter. With Zoom, you can take an exercise class, a cooking class. You can listen to wonderful lectures. You can learn about history, learn about gardening, hear musical performances, participate with a book club, all kinds of clubs and social organizations. There's so much more, and there's going to be even more available to you in the near future. Before you know it, you'll be so comfortable that you'll want more than Zoom programs. You'll want to meet with family, friends, and grandkids and see the smiles. But first, let's get you started with Zoom for the very first time and cover the basics. Come with me and we'll do this together. You'll need a computer or a laptop, a pad or a phone. Today, for simplicity, I'll show you with my computer. First, go to your library's website. The library sites are all a little bit different, but you'll see something like events or calendar on your library's homepage. Click on that. That's where you find all their programs. Scroll down and meander through to find something that may interest you. Sometimes the titles and descriptions will be listed clearly. For some libraries, you must hover your cursor over the title and then the description will pop up and be seen. Okay, for our example, I'm going to choose Meet Cleopatra. That sounds interesting. Thursday at 7. Remember, if you happen to be busy on Thursday at 7 o'clock, most allow replays. So later that night or the next day or the next week, you can watch the replay at your convenience. But remember, when you watch the replay, you'll miss out on the opportunity to ask questions or make a comment. That only happens when it's live. But still, you won't miss the program when you've registered. You can replay it whenever you'd like for a period of time. All right, I've clicked Thursday at 7 for the Cleopatra program. First, I want to register with my library, and registration looks like this. First name, last name, sometimes your library card number, your email address, and your phone number. I'd like to add here that you're wise to be careful about putting your personal information on the computer, but with your library, you're safe. They don't sell your phone number. Libraries don't solicit or sell your number to get you solicited. It's okay to give your library your phone number. If the program gets canceled or something odd, they just want to let you know. That's all. Now sometimes you'll see this, some numbers and letters and code. Enter that and follow the prompts. Or you may see a message that says, I am not a robot. You're not a robot, so go ahead and click that. This just proves that you're a person. Your information has been entered at your library site, and so you're registered. Next, you'll get an email from the library inviting you to a Zoom meeting or webinar on the date. Here's the Cleopatra invitation that came to my email. Zoom invitations all look like this. There are two ways to participate on Zoom. One is by phone, no video. You can use these phone numbers and enter this meeting ID and passcode when prompted. That's how you can connect by phone. You won't see the faces or participate in chat, but you'll be connected. The preferred way is with your computer. If you have a camera and a microphone, you'll be seen by other participants and be able to speak to them as well, just as if you were there. We see a blue Join Zoom meeting link. So a few minutes before your program, you click on it and you're in. But in this tutorial, it's your very first time ever. your computer doesn't know what Zoom is yet. So on your very first time, you'll need to download the Zoom client. That's the software that allows you to run Zoom on your computer. Now, if you're doing this on your phone or pad, go to the App Store and get Zoom Client or Zoom Cloud Meeting. On my computer right here, I click Download and Run Zoom. I'm using Windows 10 and I see a box right here telling that the download has begun. On some computers, it may come up in a different spot. Find it on your computer and click Open. Look for an indication that it's installing. Sit back and take it easy. Zoom is installing, and there's nothing for you to do but wait a bit. Now, I'll enter my name. And click Join Meeting. Now join with video. This box appears, letting you know that you're in a waiting room. The host or library will let you in as the meeting begins. Next, this blue box, join with computer audio, so you can hear the program. By clicking this box shaped button way up here, you'll get the full screen view. Now the program is about to begin, but before it does, we will go through these little icons down here so you know what they mean. This first one is your microphone. Usually the host turns yours off, so your attention can be at the presenter, but if they don't, you turn it off. This icon is for your video. You'll want that one off as well. Slash means off. Here we have participants. Click here if you want to see who's on with you. Maybe you told your friends about this fun program and they can meet you here. You'll see their names. This is chat. This is a terrific feature and I hope you use it. Presenters and your librarians love for you to interact with the program. If you have a question or want clarification, just type it in here. Your ability to comment and interact makes the experience like you're there. Now this is for screen share. Don't worry about that. You won't need to share your screen. Here we have record. Don't worry about that one either. It won't be enabled for you. And this one, this is reaction. You can clap. If you want to clap, don't hold back and make sure presenters' hearts sing. So if you're feeling it, go ahead and clap. And this, of course, is thumbs up. 2 ways to react to your presenter. Now, way up here in the right, this is gallery view. Click here to show up to 49 viewers that are on with you. Here's the program, and here I am. Although when I have my camera turned off, just my name shows. Click back up on top and it'll go back. When in speaker view, whoever is speaking will take up the entire screen. In many presentations, the librarians will highlight the presenter screen, so the presenter is the only person you'll see. When you're ready to leave the meeting, find the lower right button that says Leave and you leave the meeting. Perhaps you'd like to play this tutorial again. If you'd like, press pause and do each step with me. Remember, once you put Zoom on your computer, you won't have to do it again. Next time when you get a Zoom invitation in your email from your library or organization, you'll be able to just click it and connect. Now you can Zoom. The more you do this, the more comfortable you'll be. And there's so much more out there now. Here's the thing to remember. These Zoom programs, they're for you. You don't have to chat. You don't have to react if you don't want to. You can just enjoy, learn, and expand your horizons. Zoom is easy and you can do it. My name is Martina Matizan, and on behalf of the ones who put the programs together and the ones who perform them, we welcome you to the new experience of online programming. You can do this, and it's fun.